How you doing, everybody? First, let me start by saying Happy New Year's. It's 2024. We got to 2023. We're pretty much unscathed, so now it's time to get ready for 2024. A lot of stuff could happen and could possibly happen. We're on the World War III, civil unrest. Who knows what could happen? And I'm sure we've all seen the movie Leave the World Behind on Netflix, where pretty much society collapsed. And what I noticed about that movie and the family, the two families that was in the movie, was they was pretty much unprepared for what happened. And what we decided that we survive was to provide you with what we call a survival kit that everybody should have in order to prepare themselves for the end of the world. Whether it be World War III, whether it be civil unrest, whether it be any type of major event, you need to have a survival kit ready and available to utilize regardless of what happens. So we decided to put together a kit of essential things that you must have. Essential. These are key things that you should have in your survival kit. And we'll go over that right now. One of the first things you should get is a ham radio. This right here would allow you to, one, communicate with others, as well as get vital information when your cell phone's not working, your satellite phone's not working. This right here will allow you to communicate and listen and get key information to what's going on. Because what I noticed in the movie, they didn't know what was going on. Cell phone wasn't working, obviously. Satellite phone wasn't working. They didn't know. This right here, you can listen to broadcasting. You can listen to what other people are talking about, because survivalists and preppers utilize ham radios. Because when the cell phone system goes down, these right here are going to be live. These are analog signals. These are going to be live. So you need to get a ham radio. Now, when you get one now, I suggest you learn how to use it. You need a license to transmit, but you can always use it to listen. Listen and get vital information. So even if you get one right now, you want to have it. You want to be able to listen to what's going on around you, whether it be the weather, news, other individuals talking, letting you know what's going on around you. A ham radio is key in understanding and keeping communication lines open when your cell phones and satellites are not working. Next, my favorite friend, a flashlight. You need a flashlight. Power goes out, you can't see, you need a flashlight. This right here, I love this flashlight. This is a little USB powered flashlight. It's bright. I love this flashlight. This flashlight is small, compact, it's magnetic. On the bottom, it clicks onto anything. It swivels so you can clip it on your shirt. This flashlight right here, portable, easy to hide. It's durable, stainless steel, perfect flashlight to keep. And you always want to have something USB powered, because like I said, if power's not working, you need to be able to keep something charged. And right here, one, flashlight. You need a flashlight. Second, how do you power when the power goes out? Your flashlight. Well, this right here, a solar power bank. It has a flashlight on it as well, but this solar power flashlight has USB ports on it, so it allows me to plug in my flashlight, keep it charged, and use the sun to keep this charged. So that way, I always have power. I always got a flashlight. I always keep my device, my thing charged. This can also charge the ham radio, so that way you keep listening to what's going on. You need to keep this charged as well. So a solar power bank is key to having when the power goes out. You need something like this, whether it be a small one, you can get whatever. This is compact. I keep this in my bag always, because you never know. So you need a solar power bank. Next, fire. Now this right here is a rechargeable lighter. This thing, I love this, because I use this when I go camping. And this thing, USB rechargeable, it'll light anything. Paper, shingling when you're trying to start your fire. This right here is life. Keep this with me. Now, some people, old school preppers, they use the little striking thing. I hate those. No offense to the guys who use them. I have a set myself. I don't like it, but this right here is life. This is USB rechargeable cigarette lighter. And it comes out, and you just, see? I love this thing. This right here is a must-have as well. Because you need to, you need to be able to light. So you need to be able to start a fire. And this right here is going to keep giving you, regardless of matches, a little striking thing. This right here is going to keep going as long as you got this. Because this solar power, so it's going to power this. As long as you have this and this working, you're good. You're good out there. So you want to get one of these. Next, this is what we call a life straw. This is an old school one. You put the water in here, twist this onto there, suck it through the filter, filters in here. Life straw. You need one of these to filter out water. You need a way to filter out water. Like I said, once the power goes down, water filtration is going to have to be an issue. So you want to be able to purify your water. Right here, this is the most basic setup. You want to get a life straw. Definitely got to have one of these in your kit. Next, and probably the most important thing that every household should have, regardless, you need a first aid kit. You cannot talk about survival without a first aid kit. My first aid kit pretty much has everything I need in here. I have stop bleeding packs. Obviously, I got Band-Aids and different things. I got pills. I got all the essentials to treat a wound, everything. So you need a good first aid kit. I keep one in my car. I keep one, every bag that I have has a first aid kit in it because you never know. So I keep one in my car, I keep one in my go bag. Always keep one because you never know. You never know. You need a good first aid kit. You're gonna need that. Number one. You're gonna need that. Also, last but not least, a multi-tool. You're gonna want to get a multi-tool. This right here, you got pliers. You have a little knife for protection, cutting down things. Have a little saw for, cutting up little woods to start your little fire. You got that. You got your basic, bottle opener, little tools on there. Got another little hook bottle opener, pretty handy. You got this thing right here, which you hold like this. It'll break glass. Break glass. So you're gonna want a multi-tool. Now, there are different kinds. It's up to you. This is my favorite multi-tool. You can get it off the site. I love it. It's stainless steel, durable. It's not gonna break. Pliers, everything you need as a good multi-tool. So those are my key survival kit tools that you need to have in your go bag, in your household, because you never know. You never know. So you want to make sure you get that. Once again, flashlight, rechargeable lighter, solar power bank, a life straw, first aid kit, and last but not least, communication. Once again, check out We Can't, We Survive. We got a kit already together that you can purchase with all the stuff in it for only $199. It's valued at $300. You also get a bag to put everything in it, so that way you can start your go bag the right way. Once again, check us out. We Can't, We Survive. See you out there. Be safe.